Hi, I'm Joanna Krop. I'm a bioresonance practitioner. I've been at this clinic since 2010. I started it together with my father, Dr. Joseph Krop. And for that entire time, we've been using bioresonance as a healing technology to help people with burnout, Lyme disease, chronic conditions, and just generally balancing people's energy with a lot of success for the past 14 years. We know the quote by Nikola Tesla that if you want to know the secrets of the universe, you have to think in terms of energy, vibration, and oscillation and frequency. And bioresonance is really the intersection of using physics, science, like frequency, and healing. The amazing thing about it is that it allows the body to use its own energy with the addition of healing frequencies to heal itself. The technology we use is Krop BioResonance from Germany. Bioresonance uses frequency oscillations to heal. It entrains your cells with beneficial frequencies, and that allows your body to function as it should. Your body is both physical and energetic, and it has its own intelligence. It knows how to be healthy, how to function, and how to heal. With bioresonance, we can eliminate the effects of interferences in your system. When those interferences are no longer there, the body self-regulates into a healed state. After all, we're electric and energetic beings, and our cells communicate through photons. This beautiful technology can resolve your symptoms at the root, and it restores your energy and your function to levels that you actually probably have not yet experienced in your life. Thanks so much for watching. I'm really happy that I got to show you a little bit of what I do every day. If you want to reach out, please do so. I'd love to chat with you. The information is below of how you can reach me.